Profit and loss account in Tally Prime. Profit and loss account is one of the primary financial statements that you can use to monitor the health of your business. It summarizes the revenues, costs, and expenses for a specific period, such as a quarter or a year. Thus, you can easily gather the net result of the business operations. Using the profit and loss account in Tally Prime, you can measure the ability of your business to generate profit. Accordingly, you can take various measures to increase revenue, reduce cost, and so on. What's more, you can view the profit and loss account in the browser. View profit and loss account. By default, the profit and loss account report will be generated as on the date of the last voucher entry. You can change the date to view the report for the required period. Go to the gateway of Tally, select profit and loss account. Press Alt plus F5 for a detailed format of the report. The profit and loss account is generated from the date of opening of the books till the date of last entry. Press F2 to change the period as required. Configure profit and loss account. You can view profit and loss account for profit and loss statement in a number of formats. Press F12 to explore and apply the required format. Vertical format. By default, the profit and loss account appears in the horizontal format. If your business prefers the vertical format, then you can set the option Show Vertical Profit and Loss to Yes. In the vertical format of the profit and loss account, you can see that the groups now appear under trading account and income statements. Percentages. If you want to view each line in the profit and loss account as a percentage of the sales accounts, then set the option Show Percentages to Yes. The sales accounts will be considered as 100% and the rest of the lines would be represented as a percentage of the sales accounts. Gross profit. If you want to split the profit and loss account to see the trading profit, then set Show with Gross Profit to Yes. This will consider only cost of sales and direct expenses. Indirect expenses will be deducted from the gross profit to show the net profit. This option is available only in the horizontal form of the profit and loss account. Compare information using profit and loss account. You can use the profit and loss account to compare financial information across companies, time periods, valuation methods, and so on. By comparing time periods, you can easily measure the profits, pattern of expenses, and so on. You can choose different time periods such as daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and so on. From profit and loss account screen, press Alt plus N, then select quarterly in the auto column field. Now you can view the information in the profit and loss account according to quarters and compare the components that interest you. Similarly, if you want to view the profit and loss account for the 2 or more valuation methods such as FIFO, LIFO, average cost, average price, and so on, then you can easily view them in separate columns in the profit and loss account. Income and expense statement. If your organization does not engage in the trading of goods or services, then you can use the income and expense statement instead of profit and loss account. For such organizations, the books of accounts generally comprises only the sources of income and the expenditure which are earned or incurred during a given period. This is useful for non-profit organizations such as trusts, educational institutions, NGOs, hospitals, and so on. You can also view the income and expense statement in the browser. To use the income and expense statement instead of profit and loss account, you have to configure the profit and loss account ledger accordingly. Press Alt plus G, then go to Alter Master, then select profit and loss account, then press enter. The ledger alteration screen appears as shown in the screen. Set the option use as income and expense account to yes and press enter. Save the profit and loss account ledger. Now you can see the income and expense account in the gateway of Tally. Thanks for watching. Please do comment what you want to see in my next topic. Please share my videos with your nearest one, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.